Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you're doing well. So today's video is another advent calendar unboxing, and we have today bareMinerals Out of This World 24 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. So really nice packaging. It says the bareMinerals Out of This World in like copper, and it's got like stars and copper stars and all that at the front. On the back you have what is all in there and all the ingredients that is there as well. It does say loaded with 24 days of best-selling and fan favourites for complexion, eye, lips and lash. This big beautiful package has it all and then some, with convertible shades, gorgeous textures and addictive finishes hidden behind every door. It's the ultimate gift for the ultimate beauty buff. So it does look very exciting. I've never really tried any bareMineral products before. So I did get this advent calendar off of bareMineral's website. I can't actually remember how much it was. I don't know. It will be, obviously the link will be in the description box. The box is held shut by like magnets, if you can kind of like hear them come together. This is what the inside of the advent calendar looks like. The lighting has just gone really weird. This is one side. It's just navy with copper lettering, and then again on that side. So we do have 24 days to go and unbox now. I did the NYX one just before this one and it was easy because it was like 1 to 24, where this one they're all jumbled, so it kind of gives it a bit more enjoyment to unboxing advent calendars, but also difficult because you're having to look for them and sometimes it's very hard to find what you need. So this video is a unboxing video and will be a spoiler video, so if you don't want to know what is in this advent calendar, then please click off this video and go and watch one of my other videos. I have a lot of other videos that you can watch, but if you like to see what is in this advent calendar, then please just keep on watching. So I am actually going to leave the advent calendar here. I will pull it a bit closer so you can kind of see the advent calendar. See if we can, like, that's as far as it will go. But it's just, it is a box and it's going to be hard for me to open the drawers and hold it and all that sort of thing. But it will, let me see if I can bring you down maybe. But you will be able to see sort of ish. So obviously we start off with number 1. And it's just here. I hope they're easy to get into. For day 1 we have this round the clock intense cream glide eyeliner. It's waterproof, which is quite nice, and it says 8 PM. Does that have something to do with it? I don't know. But it looks like a dark brown shade. And here's the colour. It's kind of like dark brown going on to black. 8 PM might be the name for this eyeliner. I don't know. But yeah, it's just a brown kind of like going into a black shade. You get 0.6 grams or 0.02 ounces. So for day 2, I think this is a lipstick and it's in HONEYBUN. It doesn't say actually what the product is, but I'm guessing it's a lipstick, as it's kind of like shaped as one, so I'm guessing it would be. And here is the shade. It's a soft brown colour. Felt really creamy, glided on really nicely. Day 3 we have over here. Day 3 we have this bareMineral eye colour. So I'm guessing it's kind of like an eyeshadow. It's just all in like powder form, and it's in the colour BAHAMAS. So that is the colour there. It's obviously in powder form, so it's kind of like a loose glitter. It's kind of like a champagne but with shimmer, like champagne shimmer shade, which is super pretty. But looking forward to trying that out. So that was day 3. So for day 4 we have another round the clock intense cream glide eyeliner. Again, it's waterproof and this one's in 5 AM. And the colour looks like a silver colour, which I am super excited about. I haven't actually got a silver eyeliner. So here is the colour. Here's, I don't know if it's silver or gold. Maybe it's a bit of both, like silver but with like a touch of gold in there. I don't know, but I really like that. It glided on really well. I guess glide, cream glide, what is it called? Yeah, cream glide eyeliner. Really nice, glided on really super well. Can't wait to try that out. Wow, okay, for day 5 we have this super glittery gloss, I think. Again, it doesn't say much on the packaging, it just says 24 karat, so I'm guessing that's the colour, that's the name of the colour. Let's have a little swatch and see what it looks like. Wow, okay. Okay. Ooh. Wow, look at that. I think this is the first ever advent calendar that I've unboxed this year that has anything like this. I think, what was the box that I unboxed, and I was like, oh yeah, it was a sleek advent calendar where I thought they could have added a kind of lip product but it could be glittery, because you want a nice glittery lip at Christmas time. And wow, you definitely get it with this advent calendar. Like even the eyeliner, it would just look amazing, and then have this on the lips. Like I am really, really excited, really happy that they've put a glittery lip product in this advent calendar. So for day 6 we have another lipstick, and this is an XOX, and this colour is like a red shade, which is super pretty, really creamy as well. So it's more like a lip creamy gloss sort of texture. It's not like a matte lip at all. Looking forward to using that as well. And now we're on to day 7. For day 7 we have another lip gloss called Show Off. It's a super pretty pink shade. I just keep saying pretty or cute in these videos because it's just, I love them. My god, that smells amazing. It's like a mint, but it's kind of got like a milk chocolate smell to it. Oh my god, amazing. So that is the actual colour of this lip gloss. So it is more on the sheer side than it looks like in the packaging. It has got some sparkle in there as well. So yeah, again, really happy about this product. So for day 8 we have a bigger pot, and this is, hopefully it will tell me, and this is bareMineral blush in Your Highness. Looks like we've got little instructions in here. Okay, put that off to the side. Oh, that's quite cool. So it's kind of got like, I don't know what it would be. I don't actually know how to open this up. Do you have to pull this? Oh, okay, I've got it, I've done it. Is that a thing you can put back on? So you pull this little bell shape thing off of it, and I guess you can re-put it back in, but I want to pop it off the side for a minute and then have a little look at what the product looks like. So the colour of the blush is really rosy, and it's a really nice blush. I guess you can have like blend it out a little bit more and it can go a bit softer. So yeah, that's quite nice actually. So that was day 8. So for day 9 we have another eyeshadow, and this is in Devotion, and it looks like a dark purple shade. Hopefully it is, because I love dark purple. And here is the colour Devotion. Oh my god, absolutely love it. It's a purple but it's shimmery as well. Really, really pretty colour. It goes out for a long way. That's just one little bit I put on my finger, look. Wow. So yeah, can't wait to use Devotion. For day 10 we have another eye colour, and this is in Whisper. This looks like a soft pink shade. And here is Whisper. It looks more white on camera, but it is a kind of soft pink, and it's got a lot of shimmer in there. It's really, really pretty. It's got like a goldy sort of pink glitter in there as well. Really, really pretty. Again, it looks more white on camera, but it is a soft pink. We have another eye colour for day 11, and this is in Shantung. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but obviously I would have it somewhere here, so you'll be able to know what it is. So here is the shade. It looks kind of like purple red. And again, it's got shimmer in there. I think all of them are going to have shimmer in, which I don't oppose to at Christmas time. So for day 12, we have this bareMineral blush in Golden Gate. And Golden Gate is a much more softer pink than the other blush we had already unboxed. There it is there. Really, really pretty. For day 13, we have this well rested face and eye brightener. Illuminator, I think it is. So it is illuminator, so you have to twist it a couple times to get the product to actually come. No, not yet. Oh yeah, now it is. Here is the illuminator. It's like a pearlized white. You just rub it in and it will illuminate or brighten the face and eyes. So you do get 0.6 milliliters or 0.02 ounces. For day 14 we get this Lash Domination Volumizing Mascara. I've never tried one of their mascaras as well, so it's quite exciting. And here is the wand. It's kind of like twisted. I don't know if I can bring it a bit closer if you'll be able to see it. It's very twisted. It looks like a good mascara. Can't wait to use that. And it's in Intense Black. For day 15 we have this Gen Nude lip gloss lipstick in DAHLING. And it looks like a really rosy pink nude shade, which my kind of shade. And here is the shade, really, really pretty. We'll definitely be using this colour. So for day 16 we have this bareMineral All Over Face colour, and this is in GLEE Radiance. So is this like a powder? I don't know, we have little instructions again, well I will look it over. I don't actually know if you can see that colour, but it's very shiny, so I'm guessing it's kind of like illuminator for all over the face. Yeah, it's very shiny, or glittery I guess, or shimmery. So yeah, that would be, I'm guessing, all over the face. That's the reason for it, it's illuminating. So yeah. So for day 17 we have another blush, and this is in Beauty, and this looks more like a darker pinky rose shade. And here is the colour Beauty. I really like this shade. Definitely give it a go. So that is Beauty. So for 18 we have another glittery gloss, and this is in Rose Quartz. And again, I'm loving the fact that they've got glitter gloss in here. And there is the colour. Again, it's sheer, but it's got glitter in. Super pretty. Definitely using these. So we have another eye colour for day 19, and this is in SKYLINE. And it's a nice dark blue shade. And here is SKYLINE, really nice blue shade. This one isn't actually glittery, it's a matte shade. It might be the first matte shade, but really, really nice. So now we're on to day 20. So for day 20 we have another eye colour, and this is Black Ice. So here is the colour Black Ice. It kind of looks like SKYLINE, but this one is shimmery. So they're kind of the same, but one's matte and one's shimmery. Really, really nice. So we only have 4 days left, so let's get on to day 21. For day 21 we have another lip gloss, but this is a much darker lip gloss, which I actually really like, and it's called City Slicker. And here is City Slicker. Again, an amazing colour. I can just imagine building that up into a really intense shade. Really, really like it. For day 22 we have another lip gloss, and this is kind of like the same colour. Where is it? Was it this one? So it's kind of like the same colour, but it's just more metallic. But it still does have glitter in here. Let's just do a little swatch and compare it next to the other one. It is kind of darker as well. And here is Maverick. I don't think I even said the name of this colour. It is called Maverick, and that is the shade. It's a bit darker than City Slicker. So this one's more rosy and this one's more brown shade. Brown tone, sorry. So yeah, really, really nice. Love it. So we have another eye colour for day 23, and this is in Celestine. And here is the shade of Celestine. It's kind of like a gold, but it's got a lot of silver and gold kind of like reflex in there. Really, really like that shade. Definitely be using that. So now we're on to the last day of this advent calendar. So day 24. And we have another lip gloss for day 24, and it's a really pretty red purple shade. I'm really excited for this colour, and it is in Femme Fatale. Femme Fatale, you will have it again here somewhere. And there it is there. It does look a lot more sheer than it does actually in the bottle. But it does have a lot of sparkle in there. I guess you could build it up and build it up. Try and get the colour what's in there. But a really super colour. Really pleased with these lip glosses. So that is the end of the bareMineral advent calendar. I have literally destroyed the packaging to get them out. Some of it is not even hanging on anymore because they're just so hard to get out of the box. Or the doors, I guess. I'm really excited to try out bareMinerals. I have never tried it out before. The lip glosses look amazing. The eyeshadows, I think it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be good. I'm really happy with this advent calendar. So I hope if you guys buy it, then you also will be happy with it. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram was somewhere on the screen. I don't know where, probably down here. That's where I always put it. I also have a lot of other advent calendar videos coming out, so be sure to keep an eye out for those. And if you guys want me to do an advent calendar that I don't do, or review a product that I don't do, then please just comment down below and I'm sure I will obviously do that for you. So thanks for watching guys. Until next time, bye.